Hey everybody, so I want to show off a new feature in Google Classroom that has just started to roll out. So if you haven't gotten it yet, you will probably in the next day or two. But without further ado, I'm going to head over. And now Google has rolled out the ability for teachers and students to insert video, audio, and screencast recordings right inside of many of the areas inside Google Classroom. When I will navigate over here to my, mainstream, I can start off with hitting new announcement. And when I want to do the new announcement right here, I can put all that stuff at the bottom. But now there's a new record button right there at the bottom. So if I wanted to, I could actually record audio right there inside my Google Classroom. You can see my microphone is kind of bouncing up there. If I wanted to leave an audio message for students, I can actually leave a video, or I could actually do a screen recording of of what's going on here. And then put it right up there. So, a great opportunity for teachers to be able to use some different multimodal ways of explaining rules or showing off steps of a problem, things like that. So another thing is that when you are, I'm going to cancel this, get rid of this, and what I'm going to do is now I'm going to come over here to classwork. And if I was going to hit create assignment, now again, when you see the normal assignment screen, right down here at the very, very bottom, I again have the ability to put in video or audio or record my own screen. So I could put that as, I can put that inside there, as again, directions, things like that. I can actually send video or audio or things like that to students specifically. But one of the cool things is that we know that years ago, Flipgrid used to be a fantastic option for students, and then it was taken away. So now, as a student, I'm a student in this class. If I was going to go and create an assignment to answer this question, as a student, I can actually come down and I can insert a video right onto here. So another great new option for teachers to be able to use with students. And they can put audio, video, and screencast. So if you want to have your students narrate their screen or do whatever they need to do, they can do that right there. And again, as a student, I can even post a video announcement right to the stream. So again, I'm a student in this class. So keep a lookout for this record button right here. And then once you see that, that's where you'll see these three options. So hope that helps. Can't wait to see how people start using this. I think it's going to be actually a pretty kind of game-changing option. So let us know if you would like us to come out and help.